Oh!
I don't know how to turn this off.
Whee!
Okay.
Okay.
I couldn't figure out how to turn that off. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay. Fire in the hole, fire in the hole. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No!
That's not ideal.
That was not ideal. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No!
That's not ideal. Alright, well, on to the more important thing. Tomato update. These guys are going nice. I think it's because these guys are getting more sun, and so then we need these guys to get more sun. I think all of this foliage here is causing a little bit of a ruckus, as they say. This tree is very strange because they've cut it down several times, and it's just because all of this I clear it out like every month, then it comes back, and then it composts, and then it comes back. And not the tree, but like every year or two, this tree regrows. And then they have to come in and cut it back.
Like 10 feet a year.
Yeah. It's really annoying. And those trees there are from the golf course. That is the Arnold Palmer golf course. Not to dox us. Leave that out if you don't want it. But these little leaves right here, they all go on top of the neighbor's roof. And then the neighbor's roof whoosh, brings it all over here, and then the wind puts it over there. It's really annoying, and it's everywhere, in case you're wondering. Alright. Is that better? Hello there. Hello. I have no idea if this is pointing the right way. Of Austin forward. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a pirate hat, the answer is, why aren't you wearing a pirate hat?
Okay, we're doing the drogue again.
It was specifically on the invite.
You know what, I'm going to try...
Here, can I extend to the left so I get a better shot?
Uh-huh. Okay, we're doing the drogue first. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that was 1 gram. That was very nice.
Mm-hmm. Oh, centipede. Hey, little guy, I'm wearing Crocs with holes in them.
No, those are the big ones. I would say leave it be because they eat cockroaches.
Yeah, they eat bugs. I know they're freaky, but they eat bugs. All right, eat up, you creepy bastard. Okay.
They're supposed to have the pest controls showing up.
Termites and whatnot.
Showing up on the 12th. 12th is also...
I need to move that. Oh, 12th is when I get my filament.
And the motors.
Oh, big shipments on the 12th. Rolling. So we did the drogue, and now we're going to do main.
Yeah, okay. Fire in the hole, fire in the hole. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see.
Now you pull the thing.
So that was That was the same charge as. Oh yeah. You're right. Okay.
I'll record you pulling it. So the wind and the inertia of it should.
So this is the pilot, and then it's going to pull.
You're good. Just barely. Smoke.
It's no longer yellow,
It's no longer yellow. Yeah.
but this is still pink.
That's the plan.
Okay.
Alright,
I'm ready.
okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Are you gonna launch it?
Here we go. Launching.
Nice. 3, 2, 1, launch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow.
It's a streamer, so it should be fine.
Oh, good.
Oh, it's right there.
That makes it curl over.
Oh, it's right there.
I don't know.
It's the engine!
Retrieval.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. God, where'd it go?
So long, Katy Perry.
Oh yeah, that's the same rocket, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
I don't remember it going that high.
Oh, bet.
When the astronauts come out, are they gonna look nearly as traumatized?
These little tiny astronauts are going to come out and kiss the ground. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Not hot.
Alright, good job. Can I drop slide? You have a streamer in there? No, I have a power trip. It won't come back.
Okay. Here.
Good.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Paratroopers
4,
definitely.
3, 2, 1.
Oh wow, what was in there?
C5.
Oh gosh, that's long. That's going down. It's a streamer, isn't it though?
Yeah.
That's a streamer. No, that's got good potential.
Yeah. It's heading for the swamp, not for the water, I think.
Oh, we can get it out.
It might be in the swamp.
Yeah.
2, 1.
Oh, the sea in there.
Fly.
Oh,
Oh no, it wasn't enough.
Oh no.
It's gonna land in here.
Ah!
Oh!
Why did that happen?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's
Nice.
nice.
Curvilinear.
He's always going the wrong way.
Oh, she did airplanes.
Where'd it go? Oh, it's way over there.
3, 2, 1.
To the moon!
3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Good job. I heard it.
I don't see it.
Yeah, it disappeared.
I see the moon though.
Oh, wow. Yeah, the Honda did.
4, 3, 2, 1. Fire!
Oh, the winds are picking up. I lost it.
3, 2, 1. Oh no!
Yeah, it's really picked up the wind. That might be in the bay.
Can handle wind.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, I'm tracking something else.
Yeah, probably.
That was
Olive Pearl
Where'd the guy
Harbor
go?
used to be marshland.
wow, really?
Oh yeah. All of Pearl Harbor and all of Waikiki.
Yeah.
It almost hit the moon. Did you see that?
Yeah.
2 rings that hold to that side. And then
Hit the moon.
there's usually
I wish it hit the moon.
That's kind of a thick. It's like a ring.
Yeah.
Like a split
It was like
inside,
feet away
and then
from
a
hitting the
solid
moon.
ring.
Yay! There it goes. Hey! It's out.
The paratroopers are in. Oh, he wanted to see the paratrooper, didn't he?
The invasion of Aias has begun. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. Nice. Not really an ESIM, it's just one of the Apogee rockets. It's stuck. It's not coming out. They've done a really good job of mowing this park. Usually it's all crap. A really good job. There's the sky.